Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a plan with me. This is going to be my first weekly plan with me for 2018 and the first one in my new Foxy Fix, which is very exciting. I'm going to be using this beautiful kit by Bee Sticker Addiction. This is a Cheers kit and this is available all year round. It's not New Year specific, so it's good for any sort of celebration, a birthday or an anniversary. Before I get into that, I just want to quickly run through my new planning system for 2018. So I'm not going to go super in depth, but I am changing everything up a little bit and I'm consolidating quite a bit. So I just want to go through and sort of give you guys an idea of what I'm going to be doing. Also, I apologize in advance if the fan in the background is really loud. It's on full ball because it's very, very hot at the moment where I live. And today is especially hot, so I can't do without it. So to start with, I'm not going to be planning in my large A5 kikki.ks anymore. I'm at uni full time this year. I haven't started back yet, but I will soon and it will be very hectic. So I need to keep things simple and small. So what I'm moving into is my number 4 personal size Foxy Fix. So if you've seen any of my personal planner setups, or if you follow my Instagram, you'll know I have been in a personal size kikki.k for my everyday carry, but this is going to be replacing that. I still love my kikki.k, don't get me wrong, but when you see a personal size TN next to a personal size ring planner, you can really see the difference. This is much, much wider, so quite substantially wider to accommodate the rings, and it's also a lot thicker. So you can see at the top view there, this is substantially bigger. I haven't fully stuffed this single yet, but even without even with this being fully stuffed, the rings just take up so much space in a ring planner that, I mean, it's huge, and the weight difference is substantial as well. So if you watch my channel for my EC style plan with me in my kikki.k, never fear, because the inserts I have in this make it so that I can plan nearly identically to what I do at the moment, which is amazing. So let me just quickly go through what I'm doing. So I haven't got all the inserts in here yet that I'm going to have, and I haven't received them all yet. So I haven't got my uni inserts yet, and there's a couple of other ones that I want to get. So this is just very basic at the moment. I just have one dashboard in here by Tender Designs. Then I have my monthly insert from Natty Planning. So it's just a month at a glance, personal size, which is awesome. So that's a whole year's worth. So I can put all my major appointments and whatnot in there in advance. And then for my weekly insert, it's just, I think it's 8 weeks at a time. So how this works is, so we have our weekly, a couple of notes pages, and then we have our 4 columns like normal, so like I would normally have in my A5, just on 4 pages instead of 2. So instead of having 2 big pages side by side, I have my 1 page and then my 2 page. And the columns are a little bit shorter, but not by a heck of a lot, especially if I decide to bring my washi all the way down the bottom, or if I just skip out and bottom washi altogether, which I'm not just sure whether I'm going to or not yet. I will have to cut it, but I really like bottom washi, so I may just continue doing it. And you can see the size at the top here is quite a bit smaller, so you don't have all that white space at the top. But if I wanted to use date covers, I can just drop them down into this top header section here. So it will be a little different, but not substantially so. So I can still keep planning the style I want without having to carry around a giant planner. So I'm just not going to have time to fill in my big memory planning spread and my personal as well, but I need something that I can carry with me and that I can put all my appointments in. So anything bigger than a number 4 really is too big. I did think about getting a number 5 or a B6 size, but they're quite a bit wider, and by then, you know, this is really the biggest size that I could carry in my handbag. It's not going to get in the way of everything. And it's, you know, anything smaller than this too wouldn't fit everything I want it to fit. So then after my weekly, I have just a lined insert, and I'll have a couple of these. I'm going to have one for just general note taking and one for journaling. So I'm not usually a big journaler, but since having my kids, I'm really finding that there's all those little fleeting moments that I really don't want to miss and that I don't want to forget. So I'm going to try and journal a little bit, not every day, but just the main things anyway. And that's all I have in there at the moment. But on top of this, I also want to get a meal planning insert, and I'll have a separate insert for all my school uni stuff. So when I start back at uni, I'll probably do a video on how I plan for school, but for now I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible. So I'm also going to have, I was also going to keep my client notes in here. You've heard me mention before, I'm a hair and makeup artist, so I really don't want to take my Foxy Fix to jobs because makeup artistry is messy as all heck. My hands get absolutely disgusting when I'm like not dirty, but covered in makeup and black eyeliner and mascara, and you know, sometimes I do special effects and that's a whole nother world of disgusting and messy. So what I have been thinking about doing is having a separate, just a little insert, little TN, just with one like lined insert in it, just for scribbled notes. Now on my last GP Studio unboxing, I did ask about what I should do with the little sticker albums, and quite a few people mentioned, and some people messaged me as well, to use them as TNs. So you can definitely do that. I think all you have to do is just poke some holes and run some elastic. So I'm thinking about using one of these just to take to jobs with me, and I'll just take out these inserts and put a note lined note page insert inside. And that way I can just take that with me. It's just sort of that, like that rubbery vinyl, and they're not leather, so they're not going to get ruined by, I can just wipe them off. And plus they weren't super expensive like my Foxy Fix is. So that's the plan at the moment anyway. So I'll let you know how I go with everything. But anyway, I hope this wasn't too tedious for you. I'm going to go straight ahead with the plan with me now. Okay, so I'm just popping my insert out and I'm going to dive straight into the sidebar. So I'm choosing this big glittery disco ball for my full box. I really love that, it's so gorgeous. Then I'm taking this medium sort of sized, header sized strip of washi, just to cover up that header section. Then I'm going in with my Planet Beautiful monthly script stickers. So these are my new monthly script stickers, and they're a little bit larger than the Peaceful Mind design ones I have been using, and I quite like that. I like these new ones. I bought a year's worth, so hopefully I continue to enjoy using them. So next I'm going to go ahead and put in a habit tracker for my Instagram posts. And then I'm going to take a thick strip of washi and a header. So I did this in my last plan with me and I really enjoyed it, so I'm going to keep doing it. And that's for my happy mail. Then in under that I was going to put a weekly, then I realized I just really needed a checkbox, so I'm using this glitter one. I'm just leaving a little bit of white space in between everything. I'm really enjoying doing that at the moment. Then I'm putting in another habit tracker just to fill in space really. I'll find something for that later. Then I'm going to go ahead and put washi down. So I'm using this smallest size that's meant to be for the sidebar for my Monday. And then I'm just going to go ahead and measure the rest of my washi. So really it just needs to be, that long piece needs to be cut in half, and then that shorter piece just needs to be cut to size. And this really only took me a couple of minutes, so I really don't mind doing this at all, and I really wanted to use that beautiful floral washi. So I'm just putting down across the bottom of Tuesday and Wednesday, and then measuring my extra bit to fit the bottom of my sidebar there. Just trimming, and I forgot to trim the width obviously, so I have to go back in and trim that. Excuse my big fat head getting in the way there. But I do really like it. I enjoy using my bottom washi, so I want to continue doing that if I can. Next I'm putting in the date covers, and I'm going to use the date dots that came with the TN. So these are unplanned, undated inserts from Natty Planning, and she does include date dots, I think 3 months worth of date dots with all her undated inserts, which is awesome. So I'll never have to search for date dots again. Onto Monday, I'm going to put down this full box. Underneath this, the Best Is Yet to Come 2018 banner off the exclusive New Year's sheet. So this, like I said, this kit isn't New Year's exclusive, but that extra mini sheet that came with the kit was exclusive for New Year's. So if you buy this kit, it will just come without that extra mini sheet. And I'm just putting down that cheers glass. So this week I'm going to plan a little bit more freeform to what I usually do. I'm not going to put down checklists on every day, and I'm not going to sort of plan it out. I'm just going to put in like my major events and a little checklist if I need it. So again, just a strip of washi and a today header. And I am going to put a checklist on Monday. I'm just pushing that down slightly. Now for Tuesday, I'm going to put in a to-do header on top of some washi again, and a full checklist. I have quite a few things to do this day. And then putting in my full box down the bottom there. I love those girls, those party girls, even though I wasn't partying this day. This was laundry day. Yay, lots of fun. So I'm just putting in a scalloped box and that laundry day sticker. I really like these script stickers in these kits. And then a today header on top of that. Into Wednesday, I'm just popping in that cheers full box in the middle. a today header up the top and another scallop label and the cleaning day script icon. So we were planning on going away on Thursday, so I did want to clean and pack, etc. Then I remembered my Peace of Mind Design public holiday stickers, so I put in my New Year's Day one. So I'm putting in a quarter box here for packing and a little packing box. I really need some suitcase stickers. I was sure I ordered some, but I haven't got them in my stash, so maybe they just haven't come yet. I'll have to check. So another to-do header, and then I'm just going to cut down one of these checklists to 4 hearts, just to remind myself to pack the things that we always tend to forget. Moving on to the second half of the week, I did forget a few things, but I'll go back to those. And I'm going to put in my date dots again and my date covers. Putting down my washi, and that fits perfectly. Love that so much. Turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I'm going to put my weekend banner down, but first I want to put in these glitter headers just to cover up that black line, because it is a kiss cut weekend banner. Love that, so pretty. Okay, on today by day, I'm going to put down the washi again and a today header. And to start with, I'll put in a little thing and the little cute car icon from the kit. Oh, but first I remembered that I forgot bin day on Wednesday, so I put in a little thing and the little garbage can icon. It's back to Thursday, that cute little car icon to mark that we were driving down to the coast for a few days. And while we were there, my husband had to pick up some stuff for his hobby, so I'm putting in that scallop label and the little home icon. We had to pick it up from someone's house, so that made sense to me. And then I'm putting in a half box to mark that we're going to the beach. And these little mumsy and bub thongs, they're really cute. I need some more of those. And another little thing and the @ symbol to mark that we were checking into the hotel. I'm going to put in a full box, and that pretty much takes up all of Thursday, but there's a spot down in the washi section that I can fill in if we did something extra, and we did have other things happen, so there are extra things that I add to this spread, so definitely check out my Instagram if you want to see the completely finished at the end of the week spread where I've added extra things. My son actually had a really bad accident that night, so it changed up everything, and so I'm really glad I didn't actually fill the whole week out, because it would have been completely different. So for Friday, I'm putting in that full box, the today header and the half box, so I wasn't sure at this point what we were going to be doing, so I just put in a half box for whatever activity we did. A scallop box for wherever we went to dinner, and then I'm just going to leave the rest blank, because like I said, I wasn't sure what we would be doing. Okay, for Saturday, a little thing and an alarm clock for checkout, and then the little Alley Cats shop car on a quarter box for driving home. And then a little thing and my Peace of Mind Design tooth sticker for my new Invisalign trays. I'm putting in a checklist because I thought we might go shopping this day, but I wasn't sure. So I end up just putting in a full box and leaving it at that, planning on coming back to that and adding a box on top of that, a full box if I had to. Which I do end up doing later on, not in this video though, so that'll be my Instagram like I mentioned. So another strip of washi and that mini checklist there. I put a to-do header, but it does end up being more like a shopping list, which is fine. On to Sunday, I'm putting in that full box. Wasn't planning on doing too much this day, so another strip of washi and a today header. And then a scallop label with the Lazy Day sticker. We're just trying to recuperate from being away. It is relaxing going away, but when you have 2 small children, not so much. And it ended up being, super stressful with my son's accident and whatnot. So I'm just putting in a half box there for whatever we decide to do throughout the day, which I think ends up being we just got lunch delivered, something like that. And then that quarter box is to mark that we probably have a movie night, which I think we did. I think we ended up watching a movie. And that's everything all filled out as best I can at this point. So like I mentioned, definitely check out my Instagram if you want to see a completely finished spread. But I hope you enjoyed. A little bit different to what I usually do, but not too much different. I really like how it turned out, and I'm enjoying planning like this. So I've just popped in one of my shaker cards from my Etsy shop there as a bookmark. And that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.